Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course has its own basket of mystery ingredients. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And we have Korean short ribs, canned spaghetti, purple artichokes, and baby pineapple. Only 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
Give me something, give me something, give me something, give me something. You gotta have that dog in you. If you ain't got that dog in you, you gonna get ran over. I see the Korean short ribs. I add a little thyme, garlic, and smoked paprika.
I didn't sleep well last night. I've had bad dreams about this. But when I see the Korean short ribs, I start to think of Asian ingredients like soy, ginger, garlic, of course.
I'm gonna give it my best shot to do something memorable and beautiful. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna make an al pastor marinated pineapple short rib. Okay.
Winning this competition today would prove to my kids, you put your mind to it, you can do anything. It's a daunting feeling, knowing I gotta pull this first round off in 20 minutes.
12 minutes.
I am doing a ginger and soy marinated Korean short rib with jalapeno and canned spaghetti.
So I just put an herb crust on, a little thyme, salt, pepper, garlic, and a splash of smoked paprika. And I have to plate up. Behind you, bro. Come on, behind you.
All right, chefs, this is your 2-minute warning.
I'm thinking about how I'm going to present this to the judges. And in my mind, to have a square plate really says Asian and mimics a flavor profile.
I see the plates I want, but there are only 3. So I get mismatched plates. I'm pretty worried about it, but there's just too little time.
Wow, this is crowded up here.
30 seconds and we're done.
Food on plates, food on plates.
No, come on, bro. I'm not going home the first round. No, indeed.
And chefs, the final seconds of the first round are slipping away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Gason.
But what I did, I made artichoke, spaghetti, Korean short ribs, topped with grilled pineapples.
I love that you grilled the pineapple.
Next up, Chef Chris.
When I saw these ingredients, I was thinking about samba music, that kind of sultry beat that New Orleans has. I call it an Afro-Cuban style al pastor short ribs.
Al pastor for me requires pounded up pork in a guajillo marinade, and the pineapple, it doesn't really tenderize the meat.
Next we have Chef Jennifer.
I'm calling it a ginger short rib rose. I was thinking of the shape of the artichoke sort of as a flower.
I think it's beautiful, and I think the colors are beautiful.
Last appetizer, Chef Scott.
I have for you a soy and ginger marinated Korean short rib, canned spaghetti, it's a little jalapeno, and a artichoke and pineapple salsa.
I like the jalapeno to offset the sweetness of the pasta.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jennifer, you've been chopped. Chef Gason, Chef Chris, Chef Scott, please open your baskets. And we have tilefish, hot German mustard, pimento cheese,
Interesting.
and Cape gooseberries. Chefs, we will give you 30 minutes to prepare your entrees, starting now.
Because I have this Mardi Gras mentality, I'm gonna use potatoes as a carnival mask to hide the pimento cheese.
I'm going to remove the skin, put a little crust on it, lemon zest, salt, pepper, garlic.
I'm doing a pan-seared tilefish with the skin on, with a bacon, potato, and arugula hash. I want to just do a quick gastrique, add the white wine vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. Then I run to the pantry, pull out some baby red potatoes for my bacon, potato, and arugula hash. I'm here to win, so I can take my kids to meet my grandparents. My grandma, God bless her, she still wears her high heels even at the age of 83. Just knowing that her grandson's gonna be unchopped, she's ecstatic.
Potatoes happen to find their home here in everyone's dish.
Only 2 minutes, got a plate.
This is the moment of truth. Live or die. I think I'll be there. The potatoes are not particularly done,
Not quite as crusty as I wanted.
but conceptually, it really captures what I wanted to do.
90 seconds, guys. You gotta get the food on the plates. 90 seconds.
I've seen what I did wrong round one. Round two, I just wanted to be, very, very simple. I'm all about respecting the product. I'm not one to complicate everything.
1 minute left.
I'm watching that clock, man, and it's just ticking. Gotta get that fish on the plate.
Oh my God.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Damn, one little spot. Oh, one little spot.
Chef Chris.
So I made a carnival tilefish. Kind of have a New Orleans Mardi Gras in the carnival spirit of festivity. The potato crust is supposed to be kind of the mask.
I enjoy the sauce with the gooseberries.
Now, entree from Scott.
Judges, I have a pan-seared tilefish with a potato, bacon, and arugula hash, with a pimento cheese and hot mustard cream sauce with a gooseberry glaze.
Your presentation's super tight. Restaurant quality.
Chef Gason.
Right here, what I did a pimento cheese potato hash.
I think you're the only chef who really embraced the mustard.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Chris, you've been chopped. Chef Scott, Chef Gason, fired up?
I got this in the bag.
It's game time, let's go.
Excellent. Please open your baskets. And for dessert, you must use honey-flavored cereal, soy sauce, pears, and cocktail franks. 30 minutes to cook your final course. Starts now.
So I'm gonna parade up with yogurt, add the apricot jelly to make a paste on top of toasted baguettes.
I'm making a homemade biscuit with cocktail franks. Starting off with flour, butter. I give the cocktail franks a quick saute. Soy sauce is a salty ingredient used in a lot of Asian cooking. Usually is not paired with a dessert. So I pair a little bit of orange, lemon, honey, and a little bit of sugar to make a citrus soy syrup out of it.
2-minute warning, chefs.
The spread tastes like Venn hot dogs. It's not pleasant, and I'm not proud of it, but I know it has to go on this dish somewhere.
I'm trying to get some whipped cream on the plate, just trying to whisk it like a madman to get it done in time, but the clock's just going way too fast for me.
Let's go, boys.
1 minute, chefs.
I gotta put it off to the side to make sure I get the 4 ingredients on the plate. I take my pear mixture, top each side of the biscuit with that, and do a fresh chiffonade of mint to add a little bit of that fresh flavor.
Very final seconds, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Scott, how'd you deal with it?
First up for you, we have a homemade cocktail frank biscuit.
I really like this mascarpone mixture.
Chef Gason.
I did a honey cereal crusted baguettes.
Primarily, for me, is that chocolate soy sauce. I mean, I think I'm gonna take that. It's such a good idea.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Gason, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Scott Pajak, that you are the chopped champion. Your prize, $10,000.
It's a great feeling. I cloud 9, and besides getting married and the birth of my children, this is probably the 4th best day of my life. This is awesome.